Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Welcome again, my viewers and subscribers, my wisdom warriors. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. Anyway, me have to get in at this one because me I tell you now, when me see these things, me have to come out and make you know what I want. 15-year-old Portmore mother and 1-year-old son missing. When I hear that, 15-year-old Portmore mother and 1-year-old son missing. The police are reporting that a 15-year-old girl and her 1-year-old son from Portmore, St. Catherine, have been missing since Friday morning. The mother's name is Ruth Ann Wilson and her son is Malachi Williston, both from Portmore Park in Bridgeport. Wilson is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 5 feet 3 inches tall, white, while Malachi is of dark complexion and about 2 feet. The Portmore police said the two were last seen at home about 5 a.m. on Friday. Wilson was dressed in a peach dress while Malachi was wearing a blue, red and white jumper. The police say all efforts to contact them have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Wilson and her... So listen, my viewers and subscribers, seriously, on a serious note, like worry, I wonder where them there. Wonder where them gone. I wonder if I she run away or somebody literally take them away. Because my viewers and subscribers, I get to understand you have some of the young girl them too. You know, them a run away from them parents' house and they up and down with big man. All when they hold all them the big man there, they figure jail. You understand? Because they can have underage and big old man up and down per road. It don't make no sense. You get me? And these kids, they not learn. They're not learning. Them put them parents in a misery. No matter what them parents do. We how they want man and love man. You understand me? But you know what? Everybody to their own. And them have to learn, you know. You have to learn after your experience. But only hopefully she return home safe. You understand? My viewers and subscribers, anyone knowing the whereabouts of Wilson and her son is asked to contact the Portmore police at 876-989-8422 or 119 police emergency number or the nearest police station. Please, 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 if anybody see her anywhere, you understand me, on the need to reach out to the police. Need to reach out to the police. And madam, if you are watching my channel, and nobody never take you away, you need to go back home. You understand? And report to the police and make everybody know so you're good and you're okay. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this and put honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Jamalco supervisor shot dead. Teacher injured in Maypen bar attack. A 71-year-old employee of Backside Company, Jamalco, was shot and killed, and a female teacher injured following an attack at a bar in the Western Park, Maypen, in Clarendon on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as Harry Hawthorne, a supervisor at Jamalco and a resident of Glen Heaven Close in Maypen, the parish capital. So my viewers and subscribers, I make you know what a good one, you know. Now you see what my 71-year-old employee of a Backside Company shot and killed. Boy, I don't know. We don't know what go down. I don't know exactly. I don't know what happened. All I know are the information when I just read out to you. You understand? Say, I want bar day in the day and this happened. And a teacher get injured also. But if me get any more information on this, I will definitely update you guys. But you know, and you only say the crime I go down. So anything with crime also, me have to post it over here. Me go post it and me gonna say what I go on. You understand? I want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. Foreign Affairs Ministry confirms that no Jamaican was affected by this earthquake in USA. The Foreign Affairs Ministry is reporting that based on checks with Consul General Alison Wilson in New York, USA, no Jamaica has been affected by the earthquake. A magnitude 4.8 quake was reportedly felt across New York and New Jersey. The epicenter of the trauma was near Lebanon, New Jersey, about 40 miles west of New York City. State Minister Orlando Terrelong noted that the ministry is thankful that Jamaican diaspora members are safe. Okay, my wisdom warriors, yeah? Me like how they come out and, them a look out for the Jamaican people about the earthquake. And, me glad everybody's safe. And saying this, foreign affairs, yeah? What about the Jamaicans, them who live in Haiti? Me not hear nobody else say nothing about them. Look how much things are happening in Haiti. Look how many things is happening in Haiti. I mean, I hear una get up and I say nothing about the Jamaican people, so I'm going to help them come out of Haiti and bring them back to Jamaica. How nobody not say nothing? Remember, a whole heap of things are going on in Haiti, Whole heap of things, People are lose them life, Whole heap of things are going on, I'm in hear none of fight for no Jamaican people. Me not understand, Me not understand. Listen, when it come to one section of things, yes, say una go all out. Yeah, but listen, the people them were in Haiti, the Jamaican people them were in Haiti, live in Haiti, need no help. Me sure know that they need no help right now. Why una not try to get out the Jamaican them were live in Haiti? Why una not do something like that? Why una not do something like that? Me tell you, so una always I go back here. Right now, them are the priority right now. And nobody not say nothing. Una not get up and say nothing. I ask. Because me sure know so there's a lot of Jamaicans living in Haiti. So una need to get up and support them. Una need to get up and bring back on brothers and sisters to Jamaica. That una need to do. What una to do, una not do. Tell me what you think about this, my viewers and subscribers. And put una honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. My viewers and subscribers, wanna see how the place look? Wanna see how the place look? Okay. And the mayor, where them labor right mayor, what them used to have, never did help the people them in a Kingston and St. Andrew. A beer dirty water usually run all over, especially in the market, on the road. The road stay bad and not look good, none at all. But Mr. Swaby, the new mayor that's sworn in, he is going to change all of this. This is why I don't understand how we all on did a run behind labor right, Kingston people, I don't understand how they are run behind the labor right. How now manage to run behind Andrew Owner so no whole place stink. No, sir. With a new mayor in town, this seems like the opportune time to make an urgent appeal for Mayor Andrew Swaby to place cleanliness and sanitation as the centerpiece of his administration. It is an absolute disgrace that a city with such a rich cultural heritage should be struggling with such high levels of pollution. So, know, say the Gleaner put out this, Yes, man, them put it out. But the thing is, when Feda Delroy Williams did a mayor, me not see them kill up themselves, I don't see the article them kill up themselves. You understand? They not kill up themselves because this are going for how long and they not labor right now do nothing to change it. No matter how the people they come out and complain. Nothing they not do. Not even street light the people they not have. Not even street light they not have, my viewers and subscribers. But all of this are going to change. All of this. Because guess what? The mayor, the PNP mayor, yes, me have to say it like that, him already out and he start working already. He start meeting with the people them in the market. Him start walk through the market already. Yes, because he is going to sort out everything. All the problem where Andrew only should have sort out. Him not. Me tell you, say, this a man don't care about rural areas. He only pretend like him care, but really and truly, he doesn't. Sewage flowing in downtown Kingston communities has become such a commonplace occurrence. It does not even merit a news story these days. It only becomes news when it affects institutions like the Kingston Public Hospital, KPH. We recently learned that the sewage has been flowing onto the compound and that discussions are ongoing between the KPH administration and the National Water Commission to resolve the issue. But my viewers and subscribers, there has been video also going around with dirty water, though it's dirty sewage water, bloody water run from that the hospital do they come on the road. You understand? Video circulate. Me show you the video before. You understand? Dirty water, bloody water, I come from over the hospital, out on the road also. And it is true them attack. You understand? Because only when it affect institution, at that time you see it come out, the people them have to walk. The people them have to walk in the dirty water. The people them have sell food. Lord Jesus, it is bad. It really bad, really bad. At that Andrew Owens should get up and do him attack when I build up infrastructure. And then sitting then should start out. 12 years and he not start out nothing. A years the people them are complaining at the market. And on the road, years the people them are complaining. But this new mayor are going to change all of this. I hope you not up in on kulu yai, on people, on labor right. I hope una up in on yai because una have dirty stinking water all boat are run in a Kingston and una no see one get up a vote for Andrew Owens and una no see that una no see how the water Lord Jesus the water stink, it smell bad. Una can imagine sewage water. No sir, them it is a disgrace. It is a disgrace where Andrew Owens for fix up in and fix up. When we do first, these things is priority. These things he need to look at first before he start look at any other thing else. But he choose not to because guess why? I'm a build up economy so it can attract tourists. Just forget money. That's all Andrew Owens interested in. Wanna hear me? But you tell me what to think about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section.
Prime Minister says that since they have made heart free, 120,000 people has enrolled. Now, when you hear that, Senator Binns, I got excited because if since he had made it free last year, 120,000 people enrolled, that must be in addition to when it was not free. I then read the reports.
Went a little deeper.
The 120 is the total that went to heart that year.
My wisdom warrior, wanna hear what Damien Crawford just say? Wanna hear when just say? Me telling you say, the Prime Minister always come out and lie, tell pure lie and hype up himself because she knows that the people they now go check. He knows that the people they now check. You say always come out and say, but this is what Jamaican don't know. This is what we do. Lie, Mattel. Lie. See there, if Damien Crawford never go do the checks, him could as all would and believe him too. You understand? So all Andrew Owens do is just lie him way through. Lie him way right through. No, sir. He need to stop it. He need to stop it and then you have to eat that them just run behind him. So, you just have to eat the boo them just behind him and say, yes, Prime Minister, you do a good job. May God bless you. And all them something there. No, sir. When I see the way them react, me have to say, no, sir. Something wrong with these people. So see, if Damien Crawford never go and do the checks, he wouldn't know. He wouldn't probably believe Andrew Owens. Because this is what Andrew Owens do. Tell lie and hype up. That's all he do. Hear more.
It was only 17,000 more than the year when it wasn't free. And every single year, heart has increased. In 2019, 23,000 more than 2018. In 2020, 20,000 more than 2019. In 2021, COVID, it went down by 39,000. In 2022, 10,000 more. And in 2023, 17,000 more. It was nothing novel. The best statement he could make is since we made it free, 17,000 more. That would be the truth. He said since he had made it free, 120,000 more.
My wisdom warriors, every well-thinking Jamaican, from una hear that the figure there, una know say a lie Andrew tell. He just a big up in chest and a hype up himself. But since he make it free, 120,000. From here that the figure them know say a lie.
She said, the senator said,
That you're not telling the truth?
that, well, you see, sometimes she don't believe that they are what they are. Because she's not really used to them like that sometimes. So I will look at the Prime Minister's presentation.
Read it.
And find the area for her. So when the Prime Minister says that, since it has been done, we are at this particular level, it is something that one has to consider, and it is unfortunate that it was done in that way. But additionally, the Prime Minister goes on to say that there is a need for 26,000 spaces for young men who are desirous of a job and can't get a job. And in response to that, the Prime Minister says that he is going to do a program of seeking to attract those young persons. That program is to target 30,000 persons, 30 persons from 60 constituencies. So the Prime Minister says that there's a need for 26,000 persons, and his total target is 1,890. The total target, Senator Bunting, is 7% of what he says we need. Remember, every year another cohort is coming in. The cohort coming in of almost 2,300 is more than their training. Now, if you're training 1,890, is this only for 1 year? Because the proper intent must be to carry them to full skill. 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. So if it is 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, then this is a drop in the bucket. But it is being announced in a grand form to make the rest of us look at the other 22,000 and say, why you haven't taken up this initiative? When the only thing an MP can get from South Manchester is 30.
Don't worry about that. Continue.
The only thing an MP can get, I was a Central, but 30 can't save Central. You know? That 4 love.
Hot.
No, yeah. As a Crawford, we don't like it. But can you look into the reality and realize that they aren't seeking to change a nation? They are seeking to change a narrative that if you don't look at the numbers, you then say the youth are worthless.
My wisdom warriors, Andrew Maths is not mathsing. When him a maths, him not maths right. Then just give him paper and then just come out and hype. Listen, and see when Andrew Onless come out, I word him mature. Anytime I hear him come out and him a read out budget, whatever them budget plan or whatever they want to call it, appear what the income control and I don't know what the hell him a do. Peer. And listen, anytime he come out and say, oh, them are going to do this and do that, wait till he implement before they start get excited. Because then say them are do this and then they change their mind. Then they flip-flop. Them a chat about Mark Golden flip-flop and them flip-flop. Them always come out and a flip-flop. Oh, them are going to do this and then they change their blasted mind. And that them do, that Andrew Onless do. And when you know, you know, simple maths, you know. But guess what now, my viewers and subscribers? It is a narrative. You must try create. You understand? You know exactly what you do. Because when him come out and attack like this, you know, and the dunce people, them, you must chat to you know. Because you know, so the dunce people, them, they don't have no knowledge, they don't have no understanding, and they don't have no wisdom. So only them alone in can fool. But you know, tell me what you think about Damien Crawford. Because Damien Crawford always come up, you know, with the answer them. Because Andrew thinks say, he can fool everybody. He thinks he can fool everybody, but I know everybody are done, brother. I know everybody are done. And this is why I like when they show him up. This is why I like when the MP then come out and show up Andrew Onless, because all he does is hype. But my wisdom warriors, don't tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.